times of need, it really comes handy if there is a way you can use your watch as a camera remote. Take pictures or photos and shoot videos from your camera controller app. So let's find out together how to control your phone's camera from your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. To enable camera controller from your watch, just swipe up your screen and then just tap on this camera icon. That's your camera controller app. If you're opening this for the first time, you'll need to allow the camera. Just tap on allow. Now, as soon as you open up the camera controller app, the camera on your phone will automatically open up. If you want to take a photo, just tap on this white circle. And after a timer of 3 seconds, your photo will be taken. You can see the preview right from here. Now, if you want to turn off the timer, just tap on this tiny timer icon at the top and it will turn off. If you want to take a video, just tap on this video camera to switch between camera to video. And then tap on this recording icon. Now while recording, if you want to take snaps of your video, just tap on this tiny camera icon. Now when you're done, either just pause the video or stop recording. And you will find all your photos and videos on your phone's gallery. So that's how you can use your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic as a camera remote to your phone. Happy clicking, thanks for watching.